bumili ng bahay, pero hindi mo alam kung magkano ang makukuha mong mortgage loan. Kailangan mong magpa-pre-approve. Ang tawag doon ay mortgage pre-approval. Ano naman itong mortgage pre-approval na ito? Ano ang mga advantages at disadvantages at kung ano-ano ang mga kailangan mo para ikaw ay makapag-pre-approve. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Salee, and in this channel, I share my own experiences in nursing, real estate, finance, and living in Canada and beyond. So if that interests you, like and subscribe. So ano nga ba itong pre-approval na ito? Mortgage pre-approval. Ito yung accurate estimate on how much you can afford for a mortgage. The lender will review your financial situation and requirements to see if you can be approved for a loan and for how much. But take note ha, na kahit nakapag pre-approve ka na, ito ay hindi guarantee na makakakuha ka ng loan from the lender. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung bakit. Kunwari, may nagbago sa situation mo from the time na nagpa-pre-approve ka hanggang dun sa time na mag-a-apply ka na mismo ng mortgage loan. Example, nung nagpa-pre-approve ka, full-time ka nun. Tapos, naging part-time ka na lang or na-layoff ka nung nag-apply ka ng loan. Another example, kumuha ka ng panibagong loan, kumuha ka ng sasakyan. Nung nagpa-pre-approve ka, wala ka pang sasakyan nun. Tapos, ngayon na mag-a-apply ka na ng mortgage loan, ay meron ka ng another loan or sasakyan. Ibig sabihin, magbabago ang financial situation mo. So, ano ang advantages at disadvantages of mortgage pre-approval? Unahin natin ang advantages. Number 1, it helps you understand what you can afford. Kung alam mo kung magkano ang maa-approve sa'yo, may peace of mind ka. At kung mayroon kang nakitang bahay na nagustuhan mo, ay confident ka at sasabihin mo na makukuha mo yung bahay kasi alam mo na pasok siya sa budget mo. Number 2, it makes purchasing a home faster. Kung alam mo kung magkano ang ma-approve sa'yo, yung mga bahay lang na pasok doon sa price range mo ang titignan mo. Hindi ka na mag-waste ng time na tumingin ng mga bahay or properties outside of your budget. Next, it makes negotiation easier. Mas magiging confident ka to approach sellers. At pag nalaman ng mga seller na pre-approve ka, iisipin nila na serious buyer ka. Mas mapapabilis ang negotiation ninyo. For example, if you're asking the seller to lower the price of the property, malaki ang chance na pumayag siya kasi alam niya kung magkano ang afford mo at seryoso ka na bibilin mo yung bahay as soon as possible. Next, pag-uusapan naman natin ang disadvantages ng mortgage pre-approval. Number 1 is the interest rate is locked. Usually, 3 months or 6 months yan, depende sa lender. So from the moment na nagpa-pre-approve ka hanggang sa mag-apply ka ng loan at ma-disburse na yung fund, nakalock ang interest rate mo. Pag bumaba ang interest rate, hindi mo makukuha yung lower rate. Pero may good thing din naman. Kasi pag tumaas ang interest rate, protected yung rate mo at hindi siya tataas. Next is it impacts your credit score. Kunyari, nagpa-pre-approval kayo ng mortgage. Tapos, hindi nyo tinuloy bumili ng bahay hanggang sa ma-expire ito. Tapos, magpapa-pre-approval ulit kayo sa ibang lender. Maaapektuhan ang credit score mo. Ito, depende kung ilang pre-approval ang gagawin mo ha. Wala namang kasing limit ito. But, it was advised that you get 3 pre-approvals with different lenders or banks and do it within a few days of each other. That way, each hard inquiry will be counted as a single inquiry sa credit score mo. Next, unnecessary pressure of buying the property in a limited period. Since yung pre-approval ay may time limit lang, mapipressure ka ngayon bumili ng bahay bago siya mag-expire. Minsan, sa kamamadali mo, baka mabili mo pa yung bahay na hindi mo naman talaga gusto. Mahirap yun, napipilitan ka. Kaya ang magandang gawin mo ay tingin-tingin ka muna ng mga bahay na sa tingin mo ay papasok sa budget mo para hindi ka na mahirapan mamaya after mo makapag-pre-approve. How long is the pre-approval going to take? It only takes 2 or 3 days. Ngayon, ano naman ang mga kailangan mo pag ikaw ay magpapa-pre-approve ng mortgage loan? Ito yung mga requirements. Number 1 is proof of income. You must provide income statements, current pay stubs, your position and length of time with your employer, proof of additional income sources, tax returns or notice of assessment from Canada Revenue Agency for the past 2 years for self-employed. Next is proof of asset, your bank and investment account statements. At dapat makita nila na meron kang funds required for the down payment and closing costs. The down payment depends on what property are you going to purchase. usually between 5% to 20% of the home price. Information about your other assets such as car, boats, or cottage kung meron. Next, information about your debts or mga utang mo and financial obligations gaya ng credit card balances, child or spousal support, car loans, lines of credit, student loans, and any other debts. Next, good credit. Although nagbabari sa lender at type ng mortgage, in general, the minimum credit score to be approved for a traditional mortgage is around 680. Next ay employment verification. Lenders not only verify employment through your pay stubs, but tinatawagan din nila yung mga employer ninyo to confirm your employment and salary. Para sa mga self-employed naman, you need to provide additional information gaya ng stability ng income, location and nature of your business, the financial strength of the business, at yung ability of the business to continue generating income para makabayad ka ng loan. They just have to make sure na makakabayad ka ng utang mo. Next you need is other documentations gaya ng driver's license, SIN, authorization to pull up your credit. Anong gagawin mo naman pag ni-refuse ng lender ang mortgage loan application mo? Ask your lender kung may mga ibang options na available para sa'yo, like approving you for a lower mortgage amount. Next, charging you a higher interest rate on a mortgage. Next, requiring that you provide a larger down payment. And requiring that someone co-sign with you on the mortgage. Baka pag ginawa mo ang mga ito ay may chance na i-approve yung mortgage application loan mo. At ayan ang mga dapat mong tandaan about getting a mortgage pre-approval. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan dito sa video na ito. Please hit that like button and leave me a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe ka na rin para makita pa kita sa mga susunod kong videos. Let me know if you have other video suggestions and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to know naman kung paano ako nakakuha ng bahay ng walang down payment, make sure to watch this video next.